let me know better the truth behind content creation. So we a new creator o aba app we so o pay BBS so ya person start content creation nya so na tie na make na share no so pa o fa ebeboa bibie ni ho a esom bo sen na me de ebema we oh how are you telling me this? For the first time as a beginner in content creation, you know. So person will create content. The first thing I made two phone say in your lifestyle, you know, beginning first year I said be master video editing. Be basic with media creative content. Basic with media editing videos. Bro, never.
Are you seriously?
Because as a beginner, no, one is scared the ma editor so on editing ma video mo. Laptop no cry only just your mobile phone and no tripod and no microphone audio videos no. And this usua ebeboa papa. Me for instance, before I go into full-time content creation no, it can share basic video edit.
Who are you? Who are you?
Apps and baby apps no. The only things will be call YouTube. You call YouTuber. The person will see na master no. Fa ba akope men kan moso. Men ko fa CapCut, in short, VN ne other editing apps no emo. Vlogstar ne ade no. Very complicated. In short na o fa no focus or in short CapCut and no focus on CapCut on your mobile device. Sacrifice be 2 days. It's a night to cry men.
Today I want to declare without equivocation.
This no for master content creation editing videos basic how obey me cut it obey import video to the app obey cut it mistakes in a film also how to reduce noise. This is the basic element in content creation. But we'll be in who kind of create.
Yeah, sure. Use your head, my friend.
Bro, take this. Let me just say about better say as time goes on. I will course I will create no. About better say. Go into me and share video editing forget. Adwuma no be tough amount. Adwuma no be tough.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Say 2 days, 3 days now be share editing now. Focus before we shoot to first video cry. Wait me and follow me as you more on video editing. I will both CapCut in short for basic for beginner. Basic things for beginners. Wait me as you tech project, you know, YouTube. The same name tech project, you know, TikTok. And the same name also Facebook. To wait me and follow me on all these platforms. Now me know and check how to edit as a beginner. Now me did say about aboa content creation journey no. Se video we usua bibi film na wafa bibi afilm a share ma afoforo na leave comment bibi a wonti ase bia opese me video app efa ho bia no leave comment na me video ama me have a reply na my video afa ho ama opese o content opese me no din kita ho one on one so a wetimi a chat me our TikTok, Facebook and YouTube through my email with me and so me akasa. And me did say this is the best thing I met me as a sound life. Say sad way as a more can't tell no sound life or content creation one. You be anywhere with me as a sound life.
So it is what it is. I'm gonna lie to nobody. I'm gonna tell you the reality, man. I'm tell you it is.
Because only editing now, you say Jumano, the beer you spend. That's so what you have video links, you know, our description, you know, do with me a so Africa. That's your basic principles of editing as a beginner in content creation. In short, CapCut. How wobɛtumi ablur wo background. Wotwa raw no wie bi a background no nyɛ baabi a wotwa video no koraa no ɛnyɛ baabi papa ma wo. How wobɛtumi ablur background no. How wobɛtumi asesa background no use fake background. Ne nyinaa wobɛsua. Nti wonworry sɛ baabi a mewɔ no mentumi ntwa video anaa biribi saa. This is the best time for you to learn video editing as a beginner in content creation. Na wosua editing no a ɛno ano no wonni opie ni asɛm bio. Wobɛtumi atwa video 10 times a day without worry because wonim mistakes na wobɛyɛ ne nyinaa no wobɛtumi edit. Nti na tech pro gh aba ama wo. Wei nti na yɛaba ama content creators sɛ yɛbɛkyerɛ wo how to get money online through the uses of your mobile phone or smartphone, either iPhone or Android phones. That's it.